UTXO management is one of the most important aspects to application design when considering a Bitcoin-powered application. Applications need a way to manage the tokens they create, including the ability to put tokens into baskets, use custom Bitcoin output scripts, and make use of transaction labeling capabilities so that they can keep track of particular classes of events that happen inside of their applications. Having an effective UTXO management strategy for a Bitcoin application enables users of that application to benefit from greater organization, generally higher scalability due to the prevalence of SPV in well-architected Bitcoin applications, and most importantly, the ability for people to be able to make effective use of output baskets for tokenization. Application architects need to be mindful of their UTXO management strategy so that they can most effectively define the output scripts that are going to be used by applications, track how users interact with tokenized on-chain assets, and then be aware of how users spend these assets, and when these spends occur, make appropriate state updates to the application. There are various different things to consider when defining a UTXO management strategy for an application. But generally, application developers should create UTXOs, unspent transaction outputs, in Bitcoin that reflect the classes of data and value in their application. For example, if you have an application that manages tickets for a concert, then the tickets could be tokenized assets. These assets could be represented on the distributed ledger, the Bitcoin SV blockchain, by the use of scripts that define the constraints under which a ticket can be issued, redeemed, transferred among users, or created by the application and then actually made use of, right? So what are the processes by which a user creates a ticket? Which types of users have the right to create tickets? And then which types of users have the right to transfer and redeem them? We can consider all of these factors when designing effective tokens within our applications and then managing these tokens. How UTXO management works is we track specific types of UTXOs, tokens, tokenized assets within applications, within baskets. Baskets are a way of tracking the specific outputs that are created by transactions and then using those outputs to tokenize specific assets, using those outputs to retrieve the information necessary to render user interfaces that facilitate interaction with these assets, and then allowing users to update and remove tokens from within baskets that are held by the users and by the application itself in public basket architectures to facilitate the best UTXO management strategy.